and it took her like 14 hours for they dry out. And they end up on the floor, they can't fly. We go out actually.
Do you have to dry her off carefully with heaters, or you just let it?
Oh no, leave her. You'll see her, she opens her wings like that. And she'll dry. Like this one here, Bracken. He's one of the latest rescues. He was waterlogged. If we'd gone in the afternoon, not the morning, he wouldn't be here. But he's a great Tony owl. And there's only about 2% in this country of grey ones. That's a normal Tony owl, yeah. But this one was left outside in a box outside the gates with a broken leg. And it was strapped up for about 6 weeks. But when he took the thing on the x-ray again, it had done the nerve in the talon. Oh yes, he can fly. Can you see that talon? Well, no. Well, it not. It won't stop. It'll never open up. But he keeps it screwed down with that and pulls it with the other shot. No.
That's lovely, they've got a hole with you.
That's the problem though, you see, they leave them outside in a box. They're never well, you know, you've never got a really healthy. It's always a trip to the vet.
Yeah.
I mean, that was like 400 quid, you know. Yeah. Tony owl. Tony. Yeah, that's a grey one. Very unusual. It's only about 2% in the country.